Evangelist, are you, which religion
No,
you profess?
Commissioner, let me clarify what I meant. I didn't say I don't go to social places. You can go, but it will depend on the degree of your conduct. I didn't say I don't go.
No, that's, I also understood it as such.
Yes.
No,
Then,
I'm just saying, you said it's measured. Now, how about you profess a faith?
yes, I'm an SDA.
SDA. So what activities are assigned to you once in a while?
As
You can take the sermon, you can lead the congregation.
no, I must say I confess the SDA, but I've not been baptized. I don't want to lie. So I was born in an SDA family, but I'm not baptized. But I go to church occasionally.
Okay, I don't want to push that line. Now, thank you very much. In your view, how should national institutions balance sovereignty with international obligations? How should, for example, national institutions like the courts or others and the other obligations internationally?
You see, like the way I understand the commissioner is that you're asking me how they can balance, like Kenyan institutions under maybe international law.
Yes.
They have obligations to, for example, combat drug trafficking or child trafficking. Then under the international law, which is under Article 2 of the Constitution, is part of our law, they have obligations to take measures which will ensure that those vices are eliminated.
And what role?
I hope I've
What, you know, you've answered. What role do judicial or professional networks play in strengthening standards, ethics, and accountability? I'm asking, what role do judicial, professional networks, professional networks play in strengthening standards, ethics, and accountability? Have you joined any of the professional networks in your field?
In the court system,
Yes.
we have we interact with the professionals from
Yes.
the lawyers,
Yes.
through established mechanisms like the court users committee or the bar bench, and that is where we exchange on matters affecting the judiciary.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So you participate?
Yes, I do.
Including outside the country? Do you have such networks where you participate?
Through the IMJA, the East African Judges and Magistrates Association,
Yes.
or the Commonwealth Judges and Magistrates Association.
Yes.
So, through those kind of networks, we share and yes.
Okay, thank you. Good day.
Thank you very much. I think you've been asked all the questions on the technical and practical areas. Let me ask you one general question. I want to know, what is your world view, or how do you view the world? The world view, your own world view. When you sit there as Justice Ogoti, how do you view the world?
Thank you, CJ. I view my view of the world is that the world is a global village. It has its own setups, which not only affect the particular countries, they also affect us as Kenyans. So we are under obligation to deal with the issues which affect the global issues
Which are those issues?
like now we have cyber security. It's a global issue. We have extreme weather changes, climate change. Biodiversity has been affected. There are rare species of animals which have died because of those. So my view, global view, is that how can Kenya or as a judiciary do its bit?
In particular, as a judge, what would you do to protect the world, because it's now a village and it is endangered?
I will borrow from the various conventions, protocols which have been set up and which have been ratified, and as a judge, apply those when need arises, like if there is an appeal arising from cybersecurity issues, and a matter has come on appeal, you deal with it at that level. I hope I've answered.
Yes, I wanted to hear how you protect the world if you are successful as a judge of the Court of Appeal. Yeah, thank you very much. I think this brings us to the end of a very robust engagement with you, Judge. We thank you, and I also thank the commissioners. Before we release you, we always give a candidate an opportunity also to engage us. So now the floor is yours to tell us whatever you wish.
Okay, thank you, CJ. I really don't have a question, but I take this opportunity to thank you, commissioners, for the work you are doing. I don't take it for granted that this commission has given me opportunity to come for interview twice. There was one time it aborted, and there is a second time, which is this. So I don't take it for granted. I pray that you have the strength to carry on this exercise to fruition. I know it is ending tomorrow, and I'm aware from there, with a short break, you will again start interviewing the judges of the High Court and the ELRC. And from the advertisements I saw, today I have not seen the former secretary. You advertised for the secretary of the JSC. So you are doing a great work, and God bless you as you discharge your duties. May God's blessings be upon you.
Thank you. We also wish you success, and we also wish you God's blessings as you do your work of serving the people of Kenya. We will get in touch with you when we complete the exercise. Meanwhile, keep up the good job, the good practices you have picked in your experience. Keep applying them for the benefit of Kenyans.
Thank you, CJ.
Yes, you are now released, but somebody will show you where we can also serve you lunch so that you don't go away very hungry after you've sat here for many hours.
Okay, thank you, CJ, and for the invitation.
Karibu.